The weather cooperated. Unusually. Yeah. Yeah, we actually, so we have some here a few weeks ago. But our last this year was the first time the kids were able to play outside because the weather's been cold and bad. So yeah, it's good. It's good. Here, I think we'll have all the steps here for this photo. Okay, great. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning.
Can we get another handshake, please?
Sure. We'll do anything for the cameras. All right. Thank you all.